Welcome to 1375 River Road, located in Teaneck, New Jersey. This property is perfectly located, close to shops, major highways, 20 minutes away from New York City, and walking distance to House of Worship. Let's take a look inside. Thank you for taking the tour with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. For more information, you can contact me at 908-217-7477. I hope to hear from you soon.